Guys, today I'm gonna make mafu tofu. In mafu tofu, what you want need in recipe: dry chili, ginger, garlic, meat. I'm gonna use pork. You can use any kind of meat as you like. And tofu, onion leaves, and sauce. What you want need: and 1/2 cup of water. And this is Japanese sake. It's like a cooking wine. Dark soy sauce, sesame oil, chili, and corn flour, and pinch of salt. That's it we need. Okay, let's start how to make. So first I'm gonna add tofu, pinch of salt, boil for 2-3 minutes. Now it's done. Now I'm adding oil, sesame oil. Now I'm gonna use sake, dark soy sauce, one teaspoon chili, garlic chili, now I'm gonna put in corn flour. Just a little bit water. And boil for 1 minute. Now I'm gonna add tofu. Now it's done. Guys, now it's my mafu tofu. It's ready. Enjoy, guys. If you like my recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.